What is up? I haven't done one of these videos in a hot minute, so I thought I'd come back to it. I was doing it a little while ago, I think, in the summer, and it's now like October. I did stop making the videos, but I did do a little bit of work on my Unity project. Um, right now my Oculus just updated, so it's all weird. But basically, I think the last thing I did was I started to add IK, and it's added. It's not that good, but it makes me laugh. Basically, this game is just kind of memey right now. I added a pump action shotgun, which I don't think I covered in the video, the last video I did. So that pumps, you can reload it, I'll show you that in a second. And then I was working on adding a hand grenade that is a rat attack, because me and some friends were just like, this is just gonna be a joke to make me laugh. Just a basic survival game in VR. And I found this Jacked Pikachu model that made me laugh. Like, again, found these models on the internet. It's probably like I'm never gonna distribute this game, so like I think it's okay to use it, maybe not. If whatever, I can replace them at some point, but I thought it'd be funny that you have this Jacked Pikachu model, and then you pick up dirty old Rattatas, and you can use them as hand grenades, and when you throw them, they ragdoll and then explode, and like the explosion sound effect is way over the top. And so I thought it'd be a little bit funny to have them as hand grenades, and then I'm just gonna make some sort of like survival game. The next thing I'm probably gonna add, because I think these grenades are almost done, is I'm gonna add just like some enemies to fight. Probably just like a basic zombie enemy, just because that's easy for me to write. I have very little experience with AI, so just something with very basic pathfinding that walks towards you, and then we can build off of that and then go from there. I don't think pathfinding's that hard, especially with Unity, and they have the the nav meshes and stuff, and it should be pretty simple to do a basic zombie AI, but you know, we'll see. Maybe it'll kick my ass a little bit. So yeah, I'll just give you a quick little demo and show you what all this stuff's about. Hopefully my headset's working. It seems to be. Just let me pick up all this crap. I don't even know where my face is anymore. Please tell me I'm not too tall. Oh no, I'm too tall to reach Pikachu, and I gotta back my chair up. Let me... Or not Pikachu, Rattata. So, I don't even remember the grab command. Okay. So yeah, my character's way too tall. We'll fix that. Not a big deal. I haven't tested this yet. I wrote the explosion, so we'll see if it works. We'll just toss him out. Oh, that's not good. 5-second countdown. Oh no. Oh no. That's not supposed to happen. So the ragdoll looks really bad, and the idea is it's kind of supposed to look jank. Not that jank, but like I want it to be kind of garbage, because I like jank stuff and it makes me laugh. And I want the functionality, but this is really gonna make just kind of about making me laugh. There's not enough space in my room to test, so I think I'm just too tall. Is that why my head's up here? Anyways, so shotgun, got the pumping. There is a pump sound effect, and I forgot to add it, so I'm gonna add that today. So when you pump it, it should go like, and then you can go like this, and then once you bring it back, it's pumped. You can't move it anymore. And then, yep. So empty clip, and then you just go like this, put it in the gun. There's a collider. Again, there's not enough room in my bedroom to have good tracking, so I lose it all the time. But yeah, you take this, put it in here, boom. You just gotta pump it up. So that's my shotgun. So I think my next steps is gonna be to make that explosion work. That was not okay. I might take out the ragdoll, but it kind of makes me laugh that you just find this shitty dead Rattata and like whip it at the wall, and then it explodes for no reason. It just makes me laugh, so I'm gonna try to make that work better. It also never destroyed it. The explosion time's way too long. It should not be 5 seconds. It should be like 3. And then the wait to destroy it all should probably be like 2. Wait, I think I know what's happening. It just keeps calling this. It only needs to get called once, like not 900 times. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do a few of these tasks today, and I'm gonna start doing these videos again just to kind of motivate myself to actually code in my free time, because it is a lot of fun, but you just get way too wrapped up in life and you forget about actually, like, you know, working on your fun side projects and stuff. Okay, as you can tell, I didn't spend a whole lot of time on this. I did do the update like halfway through working on it, but basically what I did is I just did a bunch of fixes just to kind of get me back into this. I gotta minimize OBS so I don't look at my face. Just to kind of get me back into this and figure out everything. It's been about a month since I've actually worked on it, so it was a good little just like step back into it, figure out how all my spaghetti code works. So what I did do is I did finish the grenade. It is pretty jank. Makes me laugh though. Adds force, you know, standard explosion type. I fixed the VR movement because speed was inconsistent, and I'm not 100% certain why, but I think it's because of this. I had my max velocity multiplied by speed because I thought if your speed goes up, your max velocity change should go up, but that causes jank. Removing it, the speed is now the same speed every time, so that feels pretty good. There is some jank with the rotation in this. I don't really care that much. Another thing is the way I built this is it's you walk where you look, and then you turn by pushing left and right on the joystick, because you know that feels pretty good to turn like that in a lot of games. But the one thing I didn't consider is strafing. So maybe in the future I'll add strafing on one of the controllers where I just get the access from like the left controller, and that will let you strafe if you want, and then the right controller will do rotation. But again, not a big deal just yet. But I'm really glad that I finally fixed that because it was bugging me. Or at least I think I fixed it. So yeah, I did do the grenade, just simple create explosion. And then to the shotgun, to the pump script, shot action, which is a terrible name, whatever. I just added so there's two parts to the pump sound effect. So the first part, I'll just play it raw dog. And the second part, so when you reload, you hear both, and it goes like the sound. It was one sound effect, but it sounded weird because if you just did half of it, you just pulled it in, there would be no sound. So I did it so it's in two parts, and I think it sounds pretty good. And I think that's about it. I only worked on this for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. So not a bad little introduction into it. The next step, I think, let's go to that Git. Let's not judge me for not knowing anything. So yeah, I fixed that. So I want to write an enemy that you can kill, and then we can do stuff from there. I should actually finish custom input, but it's not a big deal. And that would also involve the damage system, which yeah, I don't often have to write enemies and stuff because a lot of the work I do is pretty static at actually the office, but you know, so it'll be a fun little introduction, and it'll probably mean time to leave my weird void where I do all my testing and actually build a basic level, because I want something for the enemy to navigate around and work on the pathfinding and stuff. Hopefully I can find a good asset. Actually, you know what I might do? I do have a 3D model of myself. I might make that the enemy that you kill, because I always wanted to kill myself, so why not have a model that I can kill that's me? I might do that. That sounds like fun. So yeah, I'll probably just make a new level for it, which scares me because a lot of these things rely on other things. So I did write this code to be, you know, pretty universal, so it should be as simple as just going to a different scene, designing it from there with new enemies, and then yeah, I'll show you all the changes I made. But I think that's a pretty good step forward now that I can actually, you know, do something other than writing guns for once, although I do like writing guns. So yeah, I'm pretty proud of this shotgun actually. Hopefully my tracking's working good. Hopefully I'm not super fast. If I'm super fast, that seems like the right speed. It seems consistent, I think. I can't tell, to be honest. Nope, that was fast. I don't know what the fuck is going on with that, to be honest. Whatever. I'll make this a little bigger so it's easier to see. Yeah, your shotgun. Like that, so that's both the sound effects playing, but if you do 1, 2. I think it sounds pretty cool. Maybe we can have like a clip, no tracking in my bedroom. But maybe we can have like a click sound as you reload, but you know. The spread could be better, but we'll cross that road when we get there. Yeah, the speed is not consistent. It seems faster. Is it based off of my look direction? Oh yeah, that's what it is. Because if I look on an angle, it moves faster. Weird. Okay, whatever. Nonetheless, I got my grenade. I set it there. He janks out, which is completely intentional, and it explodes. Fun stuff, you know? So, yeah.